The area of this sector, we need to know the measure of the arc, divide it by 360 degrees, and multiply by the area of the circle, which is pi r squared. We know the measure of the central angle is 40 degrees, therefore the measure of this arc is 40 degrees. We're dividing that by 360 degrees and multiplying by the area of the circle, which is pi. Our radius is 15 squared. We can reduce 40 over 360 to 1/9. We have pi, and 15 squared is 225. We can reduce this further to 225 divided by 9 pi, and 225 over 9 reduces to 25 pi. And this is the exact answer for the area of this circle. Let's look at another. Again, to find the area of this sector, we need the measure of the arc divided by 360 degrees, all multiplied by the area of the circle, which is pi r squared. The measure of this arc is not explicitly given, but we do see that it is at a 90-degree angle. And since the central angle is 90 degrees, the measure of the arc is also 90 degrees, divided by 360 degrees multiplied by pi. Our radius is 8 squared. Since the central angle is 90 degrees, this tells us it's 1/4 of the circle, and this makes sense since 90 over 360 simplifies to 1/4. Carry our pi over, and 8 squared is 64. To simplify this further, we have 64 divided by 4 pi, and 64 divided by 4 simplifies to 16 pi. And this is the exact area of this shaded sector. Final example. To find the area of this shaded segment, we need to find the area of the sector and subtract the area of this triangle. When we find the area of the sector, just like we did in the previous examples, we take the measure of the arc. Again, this one's 90 degrees, divided by 360 degrees, multiplied by the area of the circle, which is pi. Our radius is 4 squared, minus, and the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Our base here is also 4, since this is a radius, and our height is also 4, so base times height. To simplify this, again, we have 1/4 of a circle times pi, and 4 squared is 16, minus 1/2 times 4 is 2, and 2 times 4 is 8. Simplify 1/4 pi times 16. We have 16/4 pi minus 8, and 16/4 simplifies to 4 pi minus 8. And this is the exact area of this segment in terms of pi.